What's good, YouTube? It's that time. It's that time for me to start documenting this bill. So, are y'all ready? You should be. But if you're not, here I come. I got to paint, man. I'm gonna have my kids sand it all down. Me and my kids, we're gonna sand it all down. It'll be part of our project. 77 though. Audio done by me. Wise done by me. She's quiet too. She's quiet. It's just, I need some bump those, but that's all part of my body work, man. Yeah, I'm the man. Name me a ticket and fuck it all out. I'm coding the bronze and cause I can take with the tour, cause 70 grand. So with the bang, it sound like a bang. Pull out. I'll show y'all how she's running. Stand by. Hey. Excuse the glass, it's a little dirty, but y'all can see that she's running good. I'm glad I got that. They ain't gonna fix this shit until we done with the eggs. I'm tired of going back and forth.
Yes, the holiday season.
That magical time of trying to get that extra hard to find gift for someone special on your list.
Going from store to store, mall to mall, battling the Tucson traffic.
Need to find nothing but empty shelves.
Do you have anyone back? Don't even think about trying to find one on the internet. Those have been bought up and are currently for sale online at 400% of their original price. Yes, your Christmas spirit.
That's where 93.7 KRQ comes in like Santa Claus. To save the day.
We've got a brand new Series X under the KRQ Christmas tree.
Online at KRQ.com.
Hey, check this out though. Now, I got my snookums coming around the block in. She about to pull that thing in. I'm telling you, is only thing I'm missing is the things that I'm gonna do. So y'all need to stay tuned. Cause I promise you, you're gonna love what I do to this car. And you're gonna love how I do it and how I engage with my family and all that. So check this out, man. Here she comes. Look at that big old motherfucker. Here she comes. She always had trouble pulling it in because it's so big. She ain't used to no oil spill. But that's the fleet though. That's the fleet there, y'all. Yeah, look at it.
Wait a minute, baby, watch out. Shout it, let me do this. Soon as they bring, that's a rock out. I'ma get foolish. Roll around town with the